mindfulness and its origins, and what we can learn from this. Mindfulness can relieve pain, stress, anxiety, and depression, and even improve immune function, as well as many other scientifically proven benefits. Mindfulness is the process of being mindful to the present moment. This can be to your breath, the wind, the sounds around you, the beauty that lies all around you, or just noticing the stillness in the world. Mindfulness is cultivated by the training of attention, in other words, meditation. But where and when did meditation begin? What can we learn from this ancient wisdom? Shortly in the next 4 minutes, I'll share with you some information from ancient texts to help us answer these questions and how we can use this today. It is widely accepted that meditation was documented in art found in India, depicting people sitting upright with their eyes half closed in meditative postures, dating from around 3 to 5000 BCE. The earliest written evidence comes from the Vedas around 1500 BCE. The Bhagavad Gita, part of the Mahabharata, one of India's most famous ancient epic poems, has a short chapter that discusses meditation. In one translation it reads, "Those who aspire to the state of yoga should seek the self in inner solitude through meditation. With body and mind controlled, they should constantly practice one-pointedness, free from expectations and attachment to material possessions. Select a clean spot, neither too high nor too low, and seat yourself firmly. Then once seated, strive to still your thoughts. Make your mind one-pointed in meditation, and your heart will be purified. Hold your body, head and neck firmly in a straight line, and keep your eyes from wandering. With senses and mind constantly controlled through meditation, united with the self within, an aspirant attains Nirvana. Those who are temperate in eating and sleeping, work and recreation, will come to the end of sorrow through meditation. Through constant effort, they learn to withdraw the mind from selfish cravings and absorb it in the self. Thus they attain the state of union. When meditation is mastered, the mind is unwavering, like the flame of a lamp in a windless place. The practice of meditation frees one from all affliction. This is the path of yoga. Follow it with determination and sustained enthusiasm. Little by little, through patience and repeated effort, your mind will become stilled in the self. Wherever the mind wanders, restless and diffuse, in its search for satisfaction without, lead it within. Train it to rest in the self. When a person responds to the joys and sorrows of others as if they were his own, he has attained the highest state of spiritual union. This was written over 2,000 years ago, and the wisdom from much longer back. In summary, the goal of meditation is to still the mind. And to do this, concentrate on one thing. Many people use the breath, a sound, or a word. If your mind wanders, bring it right back to the breath or sound or word. And like the ancient knowledge promises, little by little, over time, through patience and repeated effort, the mind will be stilled and you will attain a skill that we recognize as mindfulness, with the benefits that have been scientifically proven. What will you do with this knowledge now? When will you begin your practice? Welcome to Inner Peace. Thank you for sharing, and please subscribe now.